Hello everyone. Welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you how to make your nails strong and healthy. Let's get started. Number 1. Take a lemon rind and rub the insides on your nails. This will discourage the dislodging of the skin around your nails. Number 2. Take vitamin E oil and massage your cuticles every night. Vitamin E oil promotes nails growth and make them strong. Number 3. Use nourishing or moisturizing cream as often as possible on your hands to make them soft and smooth. Number 4. You should wear gloves when using harsh chemicals and washing dishes, and to protect your hands from the ill effects of successive cold and hot water. The soaps used in washing dishes dissolve all the natural fats secreted by the skin as well as the keratin of the nails. Number 5. Massage your finger joints and make them flexible with frequent exercises. Number 6. Take a boiled potato and mash it. Apply the mashed potato on your hands. It is an excellent mask for your hands. Number 7. Drink milk at least twice a day. Keep your diet healthy and increase the use of protein-rich foods. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.